Hi everyone, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker.
Make a Hostess since Thanksgiving's coming up. If you are going to somebody's house,
So these are great, easy gift wrap ideas that you can use your Bowdabra and ribbon and make really quickly. So we're just going to take a cutting board, the napkins, and some like a salad fork and like for mixing your salad. And what I'm going to do here, let's do the right side of the ribbon. Okay, so actually before you put everything on there, a good thing is to just take this here. So I'm just going to wrap this up really easily and bring this down here, bring that there. So I'm first going to just fold this over, and we're just going to fold that over there. And then now, to make sure that I have the right side of the ribbon up, I'm going to twist that, bring this over. Now twist it as I'm bringing it through, so again, the right side of the ribbon is there for my tails. We're going to have 4 tails here, so I'm just going to dovetail the ends. And I'm just going to tie this over here. I get a lot of questions from people on how to tie. Actually, I think I'm going to make this a little bit longer there. How to tie the bow onto the gift. And this is a nice trick for doing that. And then I'm just going to, again, do the same thing. Bring this over, bring it through, so the right side of the ribbon is up. We're going to dovetail the ends here. And then in a second, we're going to make a beautiful bow for this. Whoops, my scissors need to cut through the ribbon. So hard in this light to see the right side. This is the right side. So bring that down there. We've already dovetailed the ends here. And then I'm going to take the right side, twist it, bring it back over. We're going to twist it. And twist it. Bring this back over and let that just hang down. And then I have this cute little pick that I can just lay right in there. It's really pretty. And again, all of this is so super simple to make. So now I'm just going to bring this up here. Pull this out. And pull this out. And bring this around the back. Tie a knot. And tie another knot. So now, bring that here, just shape everything. And I'm gonna bring this over here, and I'm just gonna bring my Bowdabra bow wire through. I'm gonna kind of move the bow out of the way, just through here. And I'm just gonna tie a knot. And again, I'm just going to tie a bow tie here because, or shoelace bow type bow, if I can do it, because that way whoever receives this gift will easily untie it and they can save the bow. And then let's just make a dovetail there and dovetail this one. So whoops, not point, dovetail. I'm sure all you guys do that too. So here you go. Isn't that just absolutely super simple and beautiful? It makes a great gift. So let's bring that up so you guys can all see it.